Hello, dear Odooers. In this video, we will demonstrate a custom-developed application, which is very useful considering sales teams access rights in general. Used case. This module is useful if you want to show the sales manager of team A can only see his and his subordinate team's details of quotations and sales order. However, he will not be able to see the quotations and sales order details of another team members. So let's go through this module. Let's check the sales hierarchy. As you can see, we have two sales managers here. One sales manager is Mark Demo, and another is Sales Manager 2. And we have two salespersons. One, John, who is a salesperson who is under Mark Demo. 2, Joseph, who is under Sales Manager 2. So let's log in with admin. We will be able to know more about access rights. So if you go to John user, who is a salesperson, as per the access rights which are mentioned, he can see his own documents only. The second user is his manager Mark Demo, and he can see all documents under sales modules. Now let's check sales team configurations. You can see here in the sales module we have different teams. Sales Team 1. Sales Team 1 is belonging to Mark Demo as the sales team manager, and under him there is employee called John, who is a salesperson. Sales Team 2. Sales Team 2 is belonging to Sales Manager 2, and under him there is another salesperson called Joseph. So this is the sales team hierarchy that we are following, and depending upon that access, right has been provided in the users. With this custom module, salesperson will have own documents rights, and sales managers will have the rights of all documents, but limited to their team only. As you can see here that this is own document, which is John and the Mark Demo, who is a sales manager. He can see all documents but of his own team, not every team member. Let's check this scenario. Let's log in via John, who is one of the junior salesperson. Depending upon the rights that we have provided in setting module, he will be able to see only his own quotations. That is because he is a junior salesperson who can only see his own documents. Post that, we are logging in as John's manager, Mark Demo. So in here we can see you can go to sales, and under quotations, he will be able to see his quotation as well as his subordinate's quotation. So if you see, he can see his quotation as well as John's quotation, who is under his team. So this sales manager can see his and his team's data, but not other team members' data. That is basically what this module does. However, if we log out as this sales manager and we log in as another sales manager who is a different sales manager and who has a different team, let's say, so if we log in as him, and if we again try to see this document, you can see even though he has all the rights of sales manager, still he is not able to see the quotations because his team hasn't prepared any quotations. So that is the module that we have, which basically allows the sales managers to see their as well as their subordinates' data only, not every other team's data. So if you are interested to buy this module or develop similar module, comment us your email/phone number ID below. We will get back to you. Thank you.